are going to change your life forever, because what we're going to go through is going to help you to understand how to use your highest mind, your superconscious mind, to create what you love. This is an advanced program and it is not for everyone. In fact, you do not need this program at all. This is just for people who want to manifest anything fast and want to take that step without having to try to figure it out themselves. Now, the number one thing you must understand is that you can live in 3 different selves. You have a past self, a present self, and a future self. Most people live in the present by looking to their past to know how they should be. By the end of this program, you're going to learn how to be it to see it, to step into the you that already has it, to take that position and instruct your current reality to pull you forward. You see, you need to open it up and live like you have no past. Are you ready for the past to be over? If yes, join this program. You live like you have no past, then you fix a future position that your consciousness can latch onto. It doesn't actually matter what it is you manifest in the next 8 weeks. It's that you will learn how to be in a new identity that knows how to manifest more money, health, wellness than you could ever imagine. Plus, you can pass it on. So as I said, you do not have to do this at all. But as you know, I have put together an amazing program and giving you a humongous discount to be able to get in this program and a payment plan, so it is super, super easy. Between now and the start date, you're going to take what you've learned in the pre-training, plus we're sending you across programs and trainings to get you started right away. This is live with me every single week, and it is a small group inner circle experience. You're going to be able to directly ask questions of me, and I'm going to be able to share it to you. And the reason why I'm doing this is because when I got this training from my 3 trainers plus my billionaire mentor, it cost me tens of thousands of dollars, had to fly around the world, figure this all out. And it wasn't really put in a systematic way. So when I put it into my own filter and had to work it all out, created a system, I built my companies. Now it's time to share that back to the world and with you.